Hi Grammars, it's Talia. I decided to do a little live video because I wanted to show you some of the presents I got for Valentine's Day. As most of you guys know, I was on ExpertJoints on Thursday and I had an incredible meal by the Butter Chef. Actually, I have a t-shirt from him. Hi babe. And the Butter Chef, Butter Bakery, follow him on Instagram. I really like this logo because it's so funny. His little face like this. Hi friends, thanks for joining. So had an amazing meal that he cooked. It was a 3-course meal, and amazing JS Photo Van is on. She did all of the amazing photography for that day. So she's slowly leaking out those photos. They look amazing. I can't wait to post on my page. So I know I'm gonna get those pictures soon, and then I'll show you guys a post and I'll do a whole thing about like everything that happened on ExpertJoints. Some of you guys might have seen I did a live video on the studio and it was really cool. So I'm gonna be posting that on YouTube soon because I did it on Gram first. The Instagram gets it first, but if you guys want to catch it and you want to get it, you got to get on my YouTube. So definitely do that. Yay, she's sending over those photos. No rush. Like honestly, I'll post sometime today, sometime tomorrow. But I do want to post. Like I do really want to post, and I want to post your photos because I'm really excited to see them. So yeah. Hi friends. So let me show you what I got. I kind of joked on the show that I love to fuck myself, so I'm gonna get to do that. So these are from the Kana Sutra line by Miss Envy, and I got this kind of limited edition glass dildo. Pew, pew, pew. So that'll be fun, really fun. Haven't used that yet. Not yet, but soon. What I did try though was, oh, you got the same one. That's awesome. Hi, Busy Bud Gal. So I tried out the, this is a massage oil, and then this is the personal lubricant. Both of them have 300 milligrams. This massage oil has like a really nice lemongrassy scent, so that's really nice. It's definitely kind of like an invigorating scent. And then the Kana Sutra also has like a geranium and lavender scent. So yeah, I can't say that this one's my favorite, to be honest, but it is good. It is good. You got the gold one with the vibrator. Shit, girl, I gotta work for mine. Then I have some Miss Envy smoking ashtrays. So I'm actually going to bring one of these and I'm going to give that away tomorrow. So we'll do that. I got a 1-to-1 cannabis oil. I don't use a lot of Rick Simpson oil, but I'm really excited to try this. And I had a little dab of it and worked really well. Also gave a little bit to my boyfriend who had never tried it before. So it's a different experience. Not the most like tasty thing in the world. I say it kind of tastes like green tea, and he said that I was being very generous. Oh my gosh, you guys are commenting away. Let me catch up. Yeah, I love to fuck myself. It's a homie. Nice. I like that oil. It's kind of icky. What's kind of icky? Let me know. Which oil did you like? I really enjoyed the massage oil a lot. And then I was also really excited to see that these were in my packages too, that these are unscented. So this is going to be my Vancouver stash that's going to stay here. So that's nice. I'm going to take these ones home. And the great thing is that they're under 100 milligrams. This one is 100 milliliters. So I can actually take it on the flight. Yay! Anybody else that comes tomorrow to my smoke sesh at High Score, it's at 4. I'd love it if you could come if you're in the greater Vancouver area. Anybody who comes is also going to get some rolling papers, so you won't be leaving empty-handed. That's for damn sure. My claws, thank you. I just got them done. Yeah, I did a really awesome photo shoot with Fashionably High, and those are going to come out soon. So I got some lip balms in here. I'll show you guys. I got one of each of the flavors. So the raspberry vanilla, love raspberry. Tried the chocolate mint already, and that one's really nice too. And then this one I think is orange coconut. I'm excited to try that. I think that one will be really nice too. So lip balms. I tried a Canna Balm. This is what Simon and I tried last night. We had a bath. So with all that natural love and good. So there we go. This is a balm. It had 50 milligrams of THC, which I felt good, but I don't know that I was stoned or felt anything like really intense. So that's kind of a nice thing. If you guys are just like new to the cannabis infused lifestyle, then a cannabis balm is definitely my reco. Okay, and then there's one last thing in here. I wanted to show you guys this. Oh, I should hand out some of these tomorrow too because I got a couple. I got the Miss Envy tips. Just the tip. I've seen these around, so I'm going to keep one of each of these colors because I think they're cool. I got the white, the pink, and the green. So I think I'm going to keep one of those, and then I will give out these ones at the smoke sesh tomorrow. And possibly I smoke Rick Simpson oil. I think I might do that. Got some good stickers here. They've got the Just Nice Nugs. Have you guys seen that? Nice Nugs. It's kind of funny. And then I got a little book here on the whole line and what they got going on. So thank you so much, Miss Envy. Thank you so much, Expert Joints. I really appreciate it. And if you guys are around tomorrow, I would love to see you at the Smoke Sesh. Like I said, it's going to be on East Hastings at this cool lounge called High Score Lounge. There's going to be like video games and stuff. And yeah, so much more. It's going to be a great time. I will see you on Tuesday. Alice and Wonder Dab, thank you guys so much. Anybody else that I haven't chatted with? Oh, here we go. Miss Envy, she's been using Miss Envy for years. She loves it. It's amazing. The orange is my personal favorite. Nice. Okay, I'll have to try that one out. I know, I wish I could see you too. Awesome. Okay, you're going to be there in spirit. I love it. I really hope you can make it, JS Photo. Same with you, Stoner Spice. Same with BC Bad Gal. I'd love to see you guys. I'm so grateful to be a part of your Vancouver community, even if it's just part-time. And I was amazed to be on Expert Joints. That was such a great time. So thank you guys so much. I hope to see you soon. Bye.